Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage external interface settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Here in the menu, let's click Preferences and let's go to External Interface. Now here we have the USB settings. And as you guys can see, we can use this as USB device and use the USB storage device. So as you guys can see, we can disable it or enable it however we want to. And now I'll show you the second way of doing that. So as you guys can see, I am on the website of our printer, the Remote UI. It's very helpful. As you guys can see, I'm in the network settings, but I'll show you guys how to get here first, because some of these functions are hidden. So let's enter our username and the password. Even though we don't need our username here, it will automatically autofill for me. So let's just do that. And we need to change it to System Manager mode instead of General User mode. Now we need our Remote UI access pin. We need to remember it. And if you forgot yours, then simply you guys can change it in the printer. So let's click Login now. And here we will have the settings and registration. So let's click it here. And now let's go over to external interface settings. So here, let's click on the edit button here, and we will be able to change those USB settings as well. It's basically the same as the printer, but it's just in a different UI and it's on your PC. So here you guys can enable use as the USB device and use USB storage device. So as you guys can see, we can disable it, then we can click OK. And as you guys can see, these settings are already changed. So that's how it works. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.